There's a myth about weight loss, and a lot of us have been told that you can't lose weight, you're too this or you too that, or it's a hormonal issue. I'm here to dispel that truth. Now, granted, I don't weigh or never weigh several hundred pounds, but the deal is this: I was overweight. So, welcome to my channel, and I'm here to help seniors with their health, happiness, and prosperity. So, today I'm going to be talking about these are the three truths that I faced before losing 30 pounds. And you can too. And you have to get to a stopping point. You have to get to a breaking point where you have to tell yourself, you have to say to yourself, no more. I'm done and I'm getting ready to start over. So write in the comments now, start over. Write in the comments, start over. Today is your day to make the change that you have been wanting for years and in some cases even decades. I got to tell you a quick story before I get into those three hard truths. I remember my mom as I was growing up in my young days. I was in school in grade school years and even into middle school that my mom would always say, I'm on a diet. And, she would take classes or go to Weight Watchers. And I never saw any real like evidence or real signs that she had actually lost weight. So my mom was a beautiful mom, loved me to pieces, and was a wonderful wife. And I'm saying all that to say that there are things that we have to face in our lives and things that you should face in order to make change happen. And these are the hard truths that I had to face. Number one, I had to face the fact that I had to cook more. So cooking more meant me going more to the grocery store, reading labels, and making better choices with fruits and vegetables. Meat and starches have always been a go-to. But the things that help us most in most cases is that the real foods, the whole foods that come from the earth. So that's number one. Number two is stress was controlling my life. Stress pushes immediate gratification. So when you're craving things, that's what that is. That's you ever heard Oprah Winfrey? Remember years ago, Oprah, she would talk about going on a diet and she would be in her kitchen and she would say, that's emotional eating. Emotional eating is that something is bothering you, there's some stress in your life that has not been addressed. And stress makes you wiggly, want to do something, want to make other things happen in your life. It craves for immediate attention, immediate satisfaction. Number three, and this is the last one. And if you like what I'm sharing with you today, please like and subscribe because I'm working on something. I have some goals. So please like, share, and subscribe. If this content is hitting you right, thanks a lot. The last one I want to share is kind of a combo one, and it is I didn't like what I saw in the mirror. I didn't like what was happening. I looked not like me. I looked a little bloated. I looked unattractive to me. I did not like what I saw. And this is not what other people are saying, other people were telling me, but I knew that I was gaining weight and I had gained weight and I was buying bigger size clothes. And I said to myself that I was not going to go past the point where I was. I told myself that this is it. I'm not going to buy the next size clothes. So when you're stressed, it is harder to sleep at night. In our society today, there's so many things that's keeping us awake at night. And we have that social media and we have television that's 24 hours. When I was growing up, television went off at 12 o'clock. And then the American song for the United States of America would come on and it was time to sign off. And the television screen was blank. It was black. So we got to be able to shut that off and get the proper rest that we need. So, what do you see when you look in the mirror? Are you pleased? Are you happy? Or are you sad, disgusted, and upset? And do you move with confidence? Can you turn around, twirl, extend your arms out with a big smile? When you are resting, and this is a bonus tip, did you know that when you are resting, that fat is melting away? You're burning fat? Yes, this is research again. When you are asleep, your body is in restorative mode. So don't let all this life issues that's coming at you and requests from people in your life coming at you. People want you to do things. They want you to be a part of this organization, to be a part of that organization. Make sure that you are serving what serves you. And I'm going to tell you, weight loss is associated with all of these three things and can make a difference in your life. And you just have to do it. You just have to try it. You just have to see what will happen. When you go to the doctor is going to give you and prescribe medicine to you. A doctor prescribes medicine. What you need in most cases is probably not medicine. It is something natural, something that will reach the core and the root of the problem. There is a place for medicine. There's a place for medicine and antibiotics. So check in with your doctor, read and study for yourself. Know for yourself what your body needs and address these issues at the core. I always tell you about your mind, getting that mindset right, loving yourself is going to change your life. Love yourself and love yourself and love yourself some more because loving yourself will spill over into loving others. And the returns on loving yourself, the ROI, the return on investment, will be exponential. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Have a great day and watch my next video. And are you ready to step out into the world and take on the day and help someone else?